תן לו. רגע, אני צריך לראות את זה. I need to watch this one. Well, this is a new Mazda 3 4x4. Now, why does he brake? No brakes.
On 4 wheels.
Look, it's a 4x4 and he's stuck. Is he stuck? Yeah, he's stuck, of course. Well, he's burning his clutch. Wow, unbelievable. What a rescue. Good afternoon, everyone. Wow, not in the morning. Well, today is going to be something different. Today, I'm going to test my skills sand riding. Now, as you know, I'm not a keen sand rider, but I do my best with the stretches of sand I encounter along the way. Well, it's not so deep, but I'm heading west this time, and I'm not gonna ride the general direction of Foshan or Ramat Menashe, what we usually do. And I'm gonna meet up with Shamir. I haven't been riding with him for a while, and he is waiting for me up ahead at the entrance of the industrial area here, near the sands of Caesarea. I'll wait up for him here. No, maybe inside in the shade. And here he is, Mr. Shamir. Well, it's a mixed feeling. I'm afraid, but I'm very keen to see what it's like to ride in deeper sand. Shamir is skilled. He also did some instructive riding, and second, he did this stretch a couple of times, and he has a beast, the KTM 690, and he has some really knobby good off-road tires. Now I urged him to be gentle with me. Now he knows me for a couple of years, so he knows my my riding skills. I must be aware and close my visor because Shamir's tires are really throwing off some stuff. Well, מה זה, שיעור מספר 1? Wow. So I should follow Shamir. Oh-ho! איזה פחד זה, אבל בסדר, סבבה. Well, got a demonstration how to exit from a place because the seam here is deeper. Shiur lesson, it's lesson number 1, Shamir. Woo! תשמע, זה כמו לשוט, זה כמו לשוט בסירה. Another stretch, less sand, but still, you know, it's like a surprise. Well, Shamir is sitting down, so we know something. The moment he stands up, I need to do the same. And I think we're nearing the party area. Well, there is a party going on. Woo! מה, יש מסיבה ולא הזמנו אותנו? No one invited us, Shamir. It's a great one.
The two best guys for the party are not in the party.
Yeah, we're not in the party. We're gonna party sand, but we have a sand party. Well, this guy here was well, some sand here. Well, Shamir told me it's not deep. It's much deeper than I'm used to. Ah, he's waiting up for me. He warned me it's bumpy. Well, that's a good one for me. But that's no sand here. He's off to the highway, and we are into the sand. Now, I don't know what to expect, but you know, these white trails here are really, I'm still scared by using the first gear and some sand. Ah, shitty Shamir. Oh, so okay, gently. Yeah, that's too deep. Whoa, 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 whoa! Wow, that's too scary for me. Scary shit. It's like a feeling of no control. That's too much for me. I don't like it. וואי, קשה, תקשיב. I switched to 60 frames and a wide angle because I think it can be nice here. You can see me all wobbly. Well, I must say the last stretch was scary as hell. But the second time I finished it, I told Shamir, well, let's do it again. Well, what's this shit? So I have 5 gears and he has 6, and there is a reason that my first gear is much more longer, and I stretch it, I can stretch it. So I sometimes prefer to stay in the first gear because allos don't lose traction. So around here it's all white trails, some minor sand stretches, but still, you know, I have to be aware so I won't fly off. Wow. So this used to be the old road. Now the new one is parallel down here. There is no viewpoint here, but so we will ride back to the main section here, and some sand. Now I have to be aware of. It's not so deep, but so it won't pull me off course. There is an old helicopter pad here. I don't know if it's still used, but wow, it's like riding back in time. Wow, I thought we were going to ride this stretch here. Well, I was riding it so perfect and I did not film it. Well, let's see. I have to ride everything back again. Well, this isn't so nice. זהו, בול מספיק בשבילי. בדיוק מספיק בשבילי. Well, thank you, Shamir, for taking me for a sand adventure. Well, this was the first taste. It's nice, it's scary. I need to know my bike better. This was short and satisfying, but it took a lot of energy from me. It was a bit scary. It's still needs a lot of training, so I'll be skilled with deep sand riding. I mean, I guess I won't do sand riding for fun, for pleasure, but it's important that if I will meet sand somewhere when I'm adventuring in Israel or somewhere in the world, I need to be sand trained. Now, it's not like cats do, you know, their stuff in the sand, but it's the riders. So it was nice, and I hope you enjoyed my short adventure without crashing, almost a couple of times. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, and see you next time riding off-road.